Hey everyone, I'm David Finz, and on this episode of the Cyber Insurance Imperative, we're going to provide you with a further update on the MOVEit file transfer software exploit that was the subject of a special edition of this podcast last week. As I mentioned previously, Progress Software Corporation, the parent company of the software developer in question, has reported that a vulnerability in MOVEit transfer could be exploited and allow attackers to gain unauthorized access to data and to execute SQL statements that alter or delete that data. All MOVEit transfer versions are impacted by this vulnerability, and the developer has issued patches for each version. Now, at the time of my last episode, we weren't clear who was behind the attacks. However, since that time, Microsoft has pointed the finger squarely at the Clop ransomware gang, which is not surprising given their earlier exploit of another file transfer vulnerability. Also, while the initial victims of the attack seemed to be concentrated in the healthcare industry, the impact is being felt in other sectors as well. We've now seen data exfiltration hit 2 national airlines, the BBC television network, and even a provincial government in Canada. This is an event with worldwide implications, and thousands of organizations that use this file transfer software are potential targets. From a remediation standpoint, please check out Season 3, Episode 25 of this podcast for a step-by-step guide to addressing this vulnerability. What I want to talk about here are the coverage considerations. Similar to what we saw following the Log4j exploit in late 2021, you can expect that underwriters will be asking questions about whether applicants use MOVEit, and they will want to confirm that patches have been applied where needed. Even before the news of the MOVEit file transfer exploit came to light, several insurers had already added endorsements to their policies which apply a sublimit or coinsurance to losses arising out of known exploits or neglected software, and those limitations on coverage can increase over time if the vulnerability goes unremediated. Other insurers may follow suit here, either adapting general exclusionary language or limitations tailored specifically to this zero-day exploit. The bottom line is that your in-house InfoSec team, or MSSP, needs to get out in front of this if you want to stay insurable. And that's where Alliant can help. You can DM me on LinkedIn or email me at david.finz@alliant.com, and we can refer you to service providers who can assist you with monitoring, threat intelligence, and patching. Now, please note that this is intended as general information and guidance. Alliant maintains relationships with several strategic partners in the cybersecurity space, but we don't own the tools and we're not responsible for the results of their use. We're also here to help guide you through the underwriting and claims processes. Our team of risk consultants, brokers, and claims advocates are in the market day in, day out. We can help explain the implications of any changes to terms and conditions, assist you with market selection, and negotiate best-in-class policy wording in what remains a challenging but increasingly necessary insurance product for businesses to have. It's all part of our helping our clients find the more rewarding way to manage risk. Thanks for watching.